Hey everyone, Jason here. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make my version of a gourmet breakfast burrito with Spam. It's not your traditional burrito. It's fun to make. We're having whole hash brown, whole Spam, and it's going to be wrapped up and fried in a tortilla. So let's check it out and let's get started. Very first thing we're going to do, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. We're using these rectangle hash brown squares. They fit perfectly with a nice slice of Spam. So these are going to take 22 minutes. We're going to put them in the oven. We're going to turn them halfway through. And next, we're going to slice up our star of the show, our Spam. So here's our Spam. We're going to cut this into 6 equal pieces. There we go. There's our pieces, plus a little bit for myself and the dogs. Here you go. Zoe. Zoe. No. Yummy. They love that. Okay, now that we have our Spam cut into nice rectangles, we're going to fry these in a little bit of olive oil. So we have a large pan and we're going to heat some olive oil and give them a good cook on both sides, probably about 4 or 5 minutes on each side. Oops. Okay, that's been 4 minutes. We're going to turn them all over. Okay, now that the other side's browned, we're going to take these off the heat and set them aside. And then we're going to start on our egg. Okay, we're going to take 5 eggs and we're going to whisk them up quick. Dump this in our pan. Okay, and we're just going to fry these eggs up so they get a nice, soft, firm consistency. Once it's cooked all the way through, we're going to do a little trick with the Spam can to get perfectly shaped little burrito Spam shaped eggs. We're going to do a little flipperoo and shut our heat off. So next thing we're going to do, we're going to take our Spam can and we're going to use the top of it to cut little Spam sized eggs so they fit perfectly. Okay, and we're going to take those out. So there we have all the components. I got some pre-sliced cheese, but you can certainly use whatever cheese you want, cut them up. I'm gonna lay the cheese on top of the hot hash browns, and then we'll start assembling and putting them on the tortillas. So we have a large flour tortilla, and we're going to take each of these individual items and we're going to fold in the sides tight, tuck in the ends, and then just roll it over and repeat for all of them. Then we're going to fry these in some oil. So lastly, to finish these bad boys off, we're going to melt some butter in a pan, and we're going to fry both sides of the tortilla, and then we'll go ahead and dig in. We're going to put the seam side down first. Give that about a minute or so, brown it up, then flip it over. Those are delicious. Okay, let's slice this open and see what we got inside. That looks delicious.
I got it.
Good job. Doesn't that look delicious? Gourmet Spam Burrito, breakfast burrito. All right, me and Trevor are gonna taste test this. Get a load of that. Perfect components, the hash brown, cheese, Spam, and the egg. It's really good, and I'm not just saying that, but I guess you gotta be a Spam fanatic. Go ahead, Trevor. Perfect blend of all the ingredients. Not buttery tortilla, it's rich and puts it over the top. So, what do you think? You love it? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give us a like, and we'll see you next time.